Hello everybody, welcome to English in 10. My name is Natalie. Today I'm going to talk all about food culture in the UK. This is a slow listening lesson for intermediate and beginner learners. Okay, before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications. Okay, let's get started. Food culture in the UK. Many foreigners think that British food is terrible. Yuck. They think that we don't have any good traditional dishes and we mainly eat fish and chips. Now, we do eat fish and chips. And we love fish and chips. However, we also have other traditional foods that we eat that you might not be so familiar with. In Scotland, where I am from, our traditional dish is called haggis. It is delicious, but when I tell you what it is, it sometimes sounds a little bit disgusting. It basically is the stomach of a sheep, all the organs, liver, kidney, lungs, etc., chopped up, chop, very small, mixed with herbs and spices and barley. Some people put different things in it, but usually with barley. Then you cook it, boil it usually, and ta-da! It is delicious. It is a very Scottish thing to eat. In Scotland, lots of the food is heavy food, stew, soup, things like that, because traditionally we have very cold weather. In the rest of the UK, a traditional dish is shepherd's pie, which is lamb minced with carrots and onions, and then mashed potato on the top. It's also quite tasty. So we do have quite a lot of traditional things, not only fish and chips. But in the UK, we have lots and lots and lots of food from other countries. Sometimes people joke that the main traditional food of the UK is Indian, because there are so many Indian restaurants and British people really love Indian food. We also have Chinese restaurants, sometimes Japanese sushi restaurants. We have more or less everything. However, many restaurants are not the same as they would be in their own country. For example, the Chinese food in the UK is very Western Chinese food and not the same as some of the things you would have in China. But we do have access to lots of foods from all over the world, and it's very common for people to go to Italian, Japanese, Indian, Spanish, different restaurants and eat different kinds of food. It's one of the very good things about living in a city in the UK, is the access that you have to all this variety. So next time you come to the UK, you could try food from anywhere, but you could also try some of the more traditional British things, including fish and chips, and see if you like any of them. All right. I hope that this listening was quite simple and easy for you to understand. You can listen to it as many times as you need. You can pause the video and look up some vocabulary. I will make more slow listening videos for intermediate and beginner learners. And I hope that you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks. Take care.